Okay, ready? If Egypt is a circle and Italy is a circle, I have found the place in today's news where the two overlap. More specifically, if Egypt's revolution is a circle and the Italian prime minister getting charged with a felony today and maybe losing his job is a circle, I have found the place in today's news where those two overlap. Thank you, Venn diagrams. What unites these two stories? Where is the overlap of these two stories in the news? The answer has to do with an alleged underage Moroccan prostitute. Ta-da! Today, the Italian Prime Minister, Silvio Berlusconi, was told that he is to stand trial on charges involving prostitution and abuse of power. Italian prosecutors say that last spring, a 17-year-old Moroccan belly dancer was arrested in Milan on charges of stealing a really expensive necklace. Once he learned that she was in custody, the Prime Minister himself called the police in Milan and told them to let her go, which they did. Italian papers published what they said were transcripts of the call from the prime minister to the police. And after a months-long frenzy of reporting and investigations of Mr. Berlusconi's alleged propensity for something the 17-year-old girl called his bunga bunga parties with lots of young women. Bunga bunga. Mr. Berlusconi is now being charged with two things. One, paying to have sex with an underage prostitute. And two, attempting to cover up that alleged crime. What does all this have to do with Egypt? I'm glad you asked. Mr. Berlusconi has admitted to calling police on behalf of the girl after she was arrested for stealing. But the excuse he's given is that he needed the police to release her because otherwise Italy would be starting an international incident. An international incident because a 17-year-old nightclub dancer nicknamed Ruby the Heart Stealer got arrested for stealing a necklace? That's an international incident? Yes, at least according to Silvio Berlusconi it is. The Prime Minister of Italy, who is now accused of paying to have sex with then 17-year-old Ruby the Heart Stealer, the Prime Minister of Italy told the police in Milan they had to release this young woman from custody because she is Hosni Mubarak's niece. She is not Hosni Mubarak's niece, nor is she his granddaughter, which is the other way this is being translated. But that's what Silvio Berlusconi told the police in Milan when he called to get her off the hook. See, it really is a small world after all.